Shalom. Did you know that Israeli citizens are now eligible for the E-2 investor visa? What does that mean and when it's going to take effect? Watch this video and learn more. Shalom, my friends. The Israeli embassy announced this past week that Israeli citizens are now eligible to file for the E-2 investor visa. This is a major announcement because Israeli citizens have been waiting for years. Since 2012, when President Obama announced the first time that there is a possibility for Israeli citizens to apply for an investor visa, it took almost 7 years for the treaty to be ratified, where now Israeli citizens are able to apply for the E-2 visa, as well as American citizens are now able to invest in Israel. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. I'm also originally from Israel. And I can tell you that a lot of our clients who come from Israel have been asking me for the past 7 years, when will the E-2 visa take effect? When can we start investing in the US and start a business? Well, now it's official. As of May 1st, 2019, Israeli citizens could apply for the E-2 visa at the US Embassy in Tel Aviv, or if those Israeli citizens are in the United States, they could change their status to the E-2 visa inside the United States. So what is the E-2 visa? I've done quite a few videos on the E-2 visa, and we'll try to link them below this video to learn about the general terms of the E-2 visa. But I'll tell you in a nutshell, the E-2 visa will allow an investor from a treaty country, now Israel is a treaty country as well, to come to the United States and invest a substantial amount. Substantial amount could be, in our experience, anywhere from $100,000 or more to start any business. For example, if you are starting a coffee shop, you have to invest this particular amount to develop and further your coffee shop by hiring employees, by signing a lease, by marketing the place, and actually creating a real business where you come to the United States, you open your company, you invest the funds, and then you can apply for the visa at the US Embassy in your home country. So right now, the embassy in Tel Aviv is getting ready to start accepting applications as of May 1st for all those qualified investors that will be able to prove that the money is legitimate, that they have proof for the source of the funds, that they have a real and operational business idea, and that they are able to launch that enterprise in the United States after they arrive here. Those people that are qualified for the E-2 visa, and again, we'll post a link to one of our ebooks here that you'll be able to download with all the requirements. These are amazing news because we've been waiting for so long for the treaty to be ratified, allowing Israeli citizens to come invest in the United States. The investment will allow them to bring their families here, and employees of those companies could also come to the United States. The E-2 visa is a visa for the investor, but also for the employee of that company. So once again, just a quick short video about the announcement. We will do more videos breaking down exactly how it's going to work, and I'll do also a few videos in Hebrew for those clients that are interested to learn this information. Thanks for watching. Download the ebook, and we'll see you on the other side.